Hey guys, Lukewaji here, and today I will be showing you guys a tutorial video on how to get sound effects for your videos, or I guess just to have fun with them, whatever you want to use them for. So before the video starts though, just go ahead, hit that like button down below, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Now what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to go to the link in the description below. It's going to bring you to this media file. You're just going to want to click download. And now this doesn't have any viruses and you won't get copyrighted for any of it. Let's see, where's it at? Oh, here it is. So you're going to open it up. There's going to be these two files here. So you're going to want to go to MACOSX sound effects, and they have MLG parody sound. It has all these different sounds. And then you're gonna go to gaming video sounds. It's gonna have all these other sounds. And then I don't know what's in this one. Oh, okay, the same thing. Actually, I think, yeah, no, these are different. Never mind, they're not different. So you can go to either one. Go to go to either this one right here or this one right here. It doesn't really matter. And then I'm gonna show you how to put it in Sony Vegas Pro 13. What you're gonna want to do, guys, is load up your clip that you have. This is a previous video. I'll put a link in the description for that too. I lowered the volume, that way you won't have to hear that. So I'm gonna insert an audio track. Drag that. Nah, I'm gonna leave it there. And then for instance, I have a like button, so if you wanna make one of those, just comment down below and I'll make a tutorial on it. So let me go and find it. Here's the subscribe one. I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, so you have your picture. Let me insert another video track. Okay, so you got your like or your subscribe button. And real quick, I'm gonna move it over to the side. Okay, so now that that's finally open, what you're gonna want to do is so once you have that done, you're gonna go and click this and go to open. And sound effects. I have a separate folder of some of the same ones. I normally use whoosh sound effect, or you can use I think it's the word bell, ding dong, ding sound, whatever. Or you can use punch. Any of those. It doesn't really matter. So you're gonna open it. You're gonna put it right here at the start. That. Now you see there's like a pause before it starts. You can just drop it down to like right there, that way it happens instantly. Now what I do is I put a transition in. So I would go to slide and slide in left to right. Put that right here. Close that, and then slide out right to left. Over here, if I can actually, there. Right here. And then now what I would do is I would look for when it starts to pop out. Right there. Or about right there. A little before. Right there. And then I would move it back. Crop down a little bit. Then copy. And then you would go to the beginning of this one. down to that, and then paste. And so now, okay, so if you go and click play, see that pops out with the sound, and it goes back in with the sound. I hope this helped you guys. Comment down below if it did. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, if you want to get free non-copyrighted music like this, or like this, stay tuned for the video. Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to get free non-copyrighted music for your YouTube videos. You can use them in gaming montages, COD videos, or any video that you would please to use them for. Or you can even listen to it yourself for free. Now this is, like I said, 100% free and 100% non-copyrighted music. You won't get any viruses from this website.